Hey everyone, Tanya Cox here with Shaw Realty. I am standing in front of 403 Queenswood Trail here in Fleetwood. I'm super excited that I get the opportunity to sell this house because it was actually the first house that my husband and I with Top Shelf Properties flipped several years back. The family is moving, they just got married and they want to extend their family. So whenever you're ready to take a look at this house, give me a call at 361-237-0577. Let's go take a look inside.